Hello and welcome to English in Action. I'm your host for today, but today is special. Today we are not going to talk about grammar. Today we are going to imagine. That's right. For the next few minutes, forget your worries. Close your eyes, relax, and get ready because today we are all millionaires.
Yes, today we will imagine that we are millionaires, and this is how we will live. We're going to wake up in our mansion, dress in designer clothes, and decide how to spend our money. Are you ready? Here we go.
Okay, we are millionaires now. It is morning. Open your eyes slowly. You are in your bedroom, but it is not just any bedroom. Look around you.
Oh, where am I? This is not my bedroom. The bed is giant. It is like a cloud. And the window, it is from the floor to the ceiling. And outside, I see the ocean. I have a beach house.
A beach house? Cool. I'm in the city. My bedroom is on the 50th floor of a skyscraper. I look out the window and I see the whole city. The cars look like ants. It's amazing.
Now it's time to get dressed. Let's go to the closet. Open the doors. What do you see?
It's not a closet, it's a store. There are hundreds of dresses, shoes, bags. Everything is silk, very soft. Today, I want a red dress, long and shiny. What about you?
I am more simple. I like elegant but comfortable clothes. I'm going to choose a navy blue suit, tailor-made, and Italian leather shoes. I look very good. I feel important.
Perfect. We are ready now. But a millionaire doesn't have breakfast at home, right? Let's go have breakfast at our favorite cafe. But how do we get there?
I don't go by car. I go in my private helicopter. It flies over the city, and in 5 minutes, I am on the rooftop of the cafe. The pilot opens the door for me. It's fantastic.
A helicopter? It's a little noisy for me. I have a classic car, a red convertible. Today it is sunny, so I put the top down, play my favorite music, and drive slowly by the coast. The wind in my face, it is priceless.
We both arrive at the cafe. It is an elegant place with white tables and fresh flowers. A very friendly waiter welcomes us. Let's order coffee and something tasty.
Good morning. For me, an almond milk latte and a raspberry croissant, please.
And for me, an espresso and some avocado toast with smoked salmon.
Excellent choice, sir, madam. We will bring it to you right away.
Everything smells so good. While we have breakfast with a view of the ocean or the city, let's think, what will we do today?
Today, I want to go shopping, but not to any store. I want to go to a store where they give me champagne while I look at the clothes. And then I will go to a spa. A relaxing massage. Sounds perfect.
I have an important meeting. I'm going to invest my money in a new idea, an app to help people learn languages. It's called English in Action.
I like that idea. Very good investment.
Okay, it has been an incredible day, right? The sun is starting to set. It's time to go home to our mansions. But before we go to sleep, let's remember something very important.
You know, all this is wonderful. The house, the clothes, the helicopter. But you know what was the best part of today?
What is it?
The freedom. The freedom to dream, to imagine, to have no worries for a moment. That is the real luxury.
You are right. And you know what else is luxury? Being able to communicate, to understand this conversation, to learn something new every day. That also makes us rich.
That's beautiful. Very true. Dreaming is free, and learning is the best treasure.
And so ends our day as millionaires. I hope you enjoyed this imagination journey with us.
Remember, you don't need a bank account with many zeros to feel rich. Imagination, friendship, and the desire to learn are riches that no one can take from you.
Keep dreaming, keep learning. We'll hear you on the next episode of English in Action.
Bye-bye.